Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace spark plugs on Ford Fiesta MK7 ST guys, the 1.6 turbo engine. So if you need that, make sure you stay with us guys. Also, we'll have more than 200 videos on this vehicle. Please check the channel out and we'll keep uploading even more. So if you need anything, just let us know and we'll try to make a video. That's the future project. Okay, right here, something that we started working on. Okay, so more videos coming on that Beamer and rebuilding it and explaining how we got it from a cheap car auction. So what we will need to do, we will need to go ahead and open the hood. Okay, and once you open the hood guys, okay, we have to remove the engine cover right here. So this engine cover has 4 bushings holding it, so you need to grab with 2 hands and just start pulling on it, but careful not to break it. You have to firmly hold it. Okay, and you can see that's the cover. Okay, that's where the bushings go. Okay, 2 and 2 on this side. You can see they go in this right here. Once you remove the engine cover, okay, you know, 4-cylinder engine, 4 spark plugs, so they're under the ignition coils right here. We'll demonstrate how to do it only on one of them, because all 4 of them is exactly the same procedure guys, so there is no need to waste your time. Now this gray piece, you need to slide it back, push down on it, and pull the cable out. This is for the ignition coil, cylinder number 2. Cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them will be the same procedure. With 8mm socket, we need to remove 2 bolts. Okay, careful not to lose them. Pull the ignition coil out. Okay, like that. Now the spark plugs kind of like goes a little bit in an angle, like that. It's not straight down, it's a little bit to the left actually. So with a 5/8, okay, we have a 5/8 spark plug wrench here. We're going to go ahead, okay, and remove the spark plug. If you get a light, you can see them. Ours is a stock spark plug with 11,500 miles. So we'll inspect them and see what they look like. Okay, about to come out now. And ours got stuck. Our socket cannot pick it up, but if you're able to get the ignition coil on the spark plug, you can pull it out with the ignition coil. Okay, just like that. You can see, because otherwise the socket has a rubber bushing, but it's still loose on those spark plugs. So that's what it looks like. Okay, we've been starting it here for a short period of time, not driving it too much, and you can see that they have a little bit of blackish on the side, so that's okay. But on the side you can see that whitish, it means it burned good. So that's how you guys remove and replace a spark plug. When you get a new spark plug, all you have to do just okay, ours, we dropped it there, now we didn't hold it, but you need to get it in the hole and get it tight there, the spark plug hole. Okay, so we actually pulled it out again, and we got a new socket that holds it a little bit better. You have to make sure that you have the socket for spark plugs, or the job will be almost impossible. Okay, we have the links for the tools that we use guys in the description of the video below, so make sure you check it out. Now we're going to get it tight. You have to make sure that everything's clean there, nothing drops in the cylinder, because if it does, you can pretty much trash your engine like that. Okay, right there. Now we can go ahead and pull the socket out. Next, all we have to do, we'll need to go ahead, install the ignition coil. Just make sure it goes on the spark plug, push it down, put the 2 bolts, and connect the wire. That will be guys the demonstration only on 1 cylinder. The rest of it is exactly the same procedure. For this one here, you might have to disconnect these holes by squishing here on both sides and pulling it out. Very careful not to break it. Okay, perfect. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.